Hey everyone, we are doing another day of review on equations. For the very first one, if I look at the parentheses, there's nothing that I can combine, so I need to distribute. 5 times n gives me 5n. 5 times 4 gives me 20. I have an invisible 1 that I need to distribute. So I get negative 1n minus 7 equals negative 11. From here, I can combine like terms. So 5 minus a 1 gives me 4n. Combine like terms again. 20 minus 7 gives me 13. From here, I need to subtract my 13. Negative 11 minus 13 gives me negative 24. Then I need to divide. So n equals negative 6. Looking at number 2, again, I need to distribute. So I get a 2x minus 16 plus 4x. Equal sign, I need to distribute the 6. So I get 6x minus 12 minus 4. If I look at the left side, I can combine like terms. 2 plus 4 gives me 6x. I'm just going to drop down that 16. Looking at the right side, I can combine like terms. So I'm going to drop down this 6x, negative 12 minus 4 gives me negative 16. If I stop and look at the left side and the right side, they match up perfectly. I have 6x minus 16 on the left, 6x minus 16 on the right. When that happens, I don't need to go any further. I know that I have all numbers or infinite solutions. When the left and the right match up, just like this, it's the exact same. I can say infinite solutions or all numbers. If I bump down to number 5, I'm going to rewrite this 9y. I have that invisible 1 that I'm distributing. Then I need to distribute this 5. And then bring down that 2y. Looking at the left, I can combine like terms. 9y minus 2y gives me 7y. Add my 3, or bring down my plus 3. Bring down my equal sign. On the right side, I can combine like terms. 5 plus 7 gives me, or 5 plus 2 gives me 7y. Bring down my minus 7. From here, I'm going to minus over my 7. If I look, the right and the left are not the same, so I need to continue on. 7 minus 7 crosses out, so I'm left with 3 equals negative 10. When this happens, 3 does not equal negative 10. So when I have a number equals another number, it is no solution. Looking at number 6, I have negative 8 that I need to distribute. Negative 8 times negative 4 gives me positive 32. Rewrite my plus 3a. Rewrite my equal sign. Distribute 2. 2 times 4 gives me 8a. 2 times 9 gives me 18. If I look at the left, I can combine like terms. I have a negative 8a and a 3a. Combining those gives me negative 5a. Rewrite my 32. in my equal sign. Looking at the left side, I can combine the 18 and the 1. Get rid of your smallest a. So I'm going to actually add this 5a so it's no longer negative. Eight plus 5 gives me 13a. I need to minus the 19. When I minus it, it actually gives me 13. Then divide. So a equals 1. All right, looking at our last problem that we're going to do, when we have two sets of fractions like this, we're going to go ahead and do our proportions. So I cross multiply. So I'm starting out with this 3. I have two things in that I'm going to put in parentheses. Then we go on the other side. I have a 9. Two things that are going to go in parentheses. From here, I'm going to distribute. And then distribute again. Get rid of your smaller n. I'm going to add my 54. And then divide. 48 divided by 6 gives me 8. There is a quizzes on Classroom that covers multi-step equations, proportions, and absolute values. So make sure that you are completing that after you have watched this video. If you have any questions, just let me know.